Quinton de Kock has long been a maverick, a precious talent. It was obvious early in his career that he did not fit easily into any cricketing stereotype. It's a trait that is familiar to his teammates and one that the sporting world as a whole recognized after he refused to take a knee at the World Cup. Quinton is an adult and a man in his own shoes, said skipper Temba Bavuma after de Kock withdrew from the match against the West Indies on Tuesday rather than obey an instruction from Cricket South Africa, reportedly communicated to the player on the day of the game to take the knee in a gesture against racism. Rashid Khan has pleaded with Afghanistan and Pakistan fans to behave when the two neighbors meet in the T20 World Cup on Friday. After a match in England 2 years ago was scared by fighting a pitch invasion, Afghanistan star spinner Rashid played in the 50 overs World Cup game at a packed Headingley in Leeds in 2019. He said suffered an agonizing defeat, but the result was overshadowed by violence and scuffles. Inside and outside the stadium. Player needed security escort off the pitch as fans poured out of the terrace. Friday game in Dubai could be tense as both teams are undefeated and chasing with semi-final places. Pakistan will take on Afghanistan in their third game of the ICC Men T20 World Cup 2021 at Dubai International Cricket Stadium on Friday. The men in green had a perfect start to the tournament as they crushed the arch rival India by 10 wickets and then defeated New Zealand by 5 wickets in their first two encounters of the mega event. Meanwhile, Mohammad Nabi and CO trashed Scotland by 130 runs in their opening match of the tournament on Monday. Badminton governing body revealed a revamped 2022 calendar on Thursday, comprising traditional European competition while Asian tournaments are in the cluster because of coronavirus disruption. The sport was thrown into disarray by the pandemic and remained badly impacted in Asia, one of its heartland, due to fresh outbreak, a caution approach to reopening. Badminton World Federation Secretary General Thomas Lund said 3 back-to-back Thai tournaments that took place in January this year, marking the restart of international competition in Asia, were a successful model for a broader resumption. Bayern Munich veteran Thomas Müller has apologized to their fans and admitted the 5-0 thrashing at Mönchengladbach in the German Cup was the worst defeat he has experienced during 13 years playing in the famous red shirt. We were picked apart from A to Z in the first half. The 32-year-old Müller, who made his Beyond debut 2008 and is approaching 600 appearances for the Bavarian Giants, told, "I don't know if I have experienced anything like that before in an FC Beyond shirt. We have to apologize to our fans." Manchester United Kingdom October 28, 2021 host England will kick off the Women Euro 2022 against Austria at Old Trafford as Thursday. Draw for the tournament pair defending champions the Netherlands with Olympic silver medalist Sweden. 8-time European champion Germany faced the toughest group on paper alongside the rapidly improving Spain. Pernille Harder Denmark and former semi-finalist Finland. France bid to win the competition for the first time will see them take on Italy, Belgium and Iceland in Group D, as speculation swelled that he was about to return to Barcelona. Xavi Hernandez insisted on Thursday that he was thinking only on his current job coaching Qatari club. All said, "I am currently focused on my work with Al Sadd and I cannot talk about anything else," Xavi told a press conference ahead Saturday match with Al Ahly in the Qatar Star League. Barcelona fired coach Ronald Koeman after losing 1-0 at Rayo Vallecano on Wednesday to stay 9th in La Liga, 6 points behind the leaders. Spanish media reported that Barca president John Laporta was in talk with Xavi about the vacant position on Thursday morning. Opener David Warner struck from with an attacking 65 to help Australia to their second success victory in the 2020 World Cup with a 7 wickets thrashing of Sri Lanka on Thursday. Warner, who was dropped from his IPL team Sunrisers Hyderabad last month after 2 bad games, smashed 10 fours in his 42-ball knock as Australia achieved their target of 155 55 with 18 balls to spare in Dubai. Warner and skipper Arun Finch, who made 37, took apart the Sri Lanka bowlers with an opening stand of 70. The Swiss Football League announced Thursday it was considering banning away fans at matches following series of games marked by violence and unruly behavior. In a statement, the SFL said its committee had discussed possible measures to combat misconduct around football matches. In order to protect peaceful fans, the closure of away sector is being considered, it warned. Chris Jordan on Thursday hailed the tremendous effort of England improvised bowling attack following dominant victories in their first T20 World Cup matches. England skidded defending champions the West Indies for 55 and won by 6 wickets in their tournament opener before restricting Bangladesh to 124.9 and cantering to an 8-wicket victory on Wednesday. This performance with the ball were all the more impressive given Eoin Morgan men are missing several key bowlers. England travelled to the United Arab Emirates without the injured Jofra Archer, Ben Stokes and Sam Curran, while Tom Curran and Mark Wood were also sidelined from the opening 2 matches.
बोल ब्रीफ्स की वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बोल ब्रीफ्स के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें।